In this video, we'll take a closer look at Wise and find out whether it's really worth using, what its main advantages are, and what its downsides are. The first thing you should know is that Wise is a financial platform mainly focused on international transfers and managing different currencies. One of its main features is that it allows you to hold and convert money in different currencies from a single account. One of its biggest advantages is international transfers. Wise shows you the exchange rate and fees before you make a transaction, making it easier to know how much money you're sending and how much the other person will receive. However, Wise also has some drawbacks. It isn't a traditional bank in every market, and the services available can vary depending on the country where you live. Some transactions may also involve fees, so it's always important to check the cost before confirming a transfer or currency conversion. Another important point is that Wise is particularly designed for international transactions and multiple currencies. If you simply need an account for basic banking services in your country, a traditional bank may offer a wider range of services. So, is Wise worth it? In my opinion, it can be a very interesting option for people who send or receive money internationally, work with different currencies, or travel frequently. Wise stands out especially for international transfers, currency management, and ease of use. But the best option will ultimately depend on each person's needs and the services available in their country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more tutorials, reviews, and comparisons explained step by step.